Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set the location name in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. So you can change the location name also. First time log into terminal as a root user, type the hostnamectl command. So here you can see there is no location set so far. Let me execute this command, hostnamectl set -location, give some location name. So location name basically used to identify your computer in distributed networks. Okay, so see here now location has got set. So you can modify the location name or remove the location name like this. So empty quotes will remove the location name. So I am putting back some new location name. Yes. So this will use to identify your computer where it is located in distributed networks. So this is the way you need to set location or modify the location name in AlmaLinux 9 operating system.